What if I told you that Abia in 2045 is no longer just a state of markets and crafts, but a land of transformation? In Abia, shoemakers and tailors now use smart tools and digital platforms, turning local hustle into global business. In Umuahia, solar lights brighten highways, and schools are opening doors to digital learning. Farmers across Abia are using drones and solar irrigation to grow more, feeding not just their villages, but new markets abroad. And yet through all this change, Abia's spirit remains the same, proud, resilient, and deeply cultural. The drums still beat, the festivals still glow, but now there is a new confidence that Abia can stand tall, not just in Nigeria, but before the world. This is Abia, this is 2045.